Hey you guys, guess what? I am coming to you today from my secret sort of location. I've been keeping something from you, and today I'm going to tell you what that is. So let's dive in. All right, not exactly what you thought you were going to be diving into, a toilet bowl. But yes, it's a tiny little bathroom. It's a toy hauler garage. It's a cute little kitchen, dining room. What's going on? Yep, you guessed it. I bought an RV, and I'm going to be converting this space into my nice, modern, glam, chic style, and I'm super excited. So I'm ready to get started. Here's my story. Now that you know what I've been keeping from you, I'm really curious to know what you guys think. Like, am I crazy? Have I totally lost it? Like, selling everything that I own and only keeping the things that I absolutely need and that I can fit into my new tiny home, my toy hauler, that's going to be converted so that I have an office, a bedroom. This is my living room, dining room. All of this is going to be transformed, and it's going to have my style, my touch, the things that I love. So I hope you join me on this journey. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss a thing. There'll be a lot of renovation going on. So there'll be a lot of how-to, do-it-yourself videos, things like that. So I don't want you to miss anything. It's going to be a few months, I think, for everything to get done. So yeah, I'm excited, and I hope you're excited for me. I know some of you think I've lost it, but I'm at that point in my life where I'm kind of like, you know what? I don't need all of this. I don't need all of this. I don't need them. But I need this, this, and this, and I'm going to make it all work in my tiny little bubble. I will sleep here. I will do business, but I don't live in this space, so to speak. So yeah, 2,400 square feet to under 200 square feet. I don't even think I'm quite at 200 square feet, but I'm going to live outside of this 200 square feet. That's where I'm going to live, if you understand what I mean by live. And I did a post not too long ago that said most people die at 25 but aren't buried until they're 75. I want to live while I'm alive. So that is the main reason for this transformation. So yeah, this feels like home to me. This will be my home. I've reduced things down to what I actually need. I don't know how many of you actually know this, but just based off of the news today, RV sales have gone up 1,200%. And it has a lot to do with the fact that people can't go anywhere. They feel stronghold, but they don't want to sit at home. So people are purchasing RVs for that reason, but also some people are purchasing RVs for the same exact reason that I purchased mine. Because we don't know what's coming down the pike, and I don't want to continue to pay someone else's rent or someone else's mortgage or paying for something that I know I'm never going to really own, because people say I own my home, but really, do you? Because if you miss a few payments, for those of you who live in Vegas, I will be hitting you up for favors. Yeah. And there's gonna be a lot of sweat equity involved. Just saying. So don't hide, and make sure you reply to my text messages when I hit you up. But yeah, if you have any resources, advice, anything that you think would be helpful throughout this journey, if you know somebody who knows somebody and you think that we should meet, share it with me, because I appreciate it. Okay, there are a lot of things that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to need help because I'm new to the RV life. But yeah, so for those of you who don't know and you might be interested in doing something like this, I have learned a lot, and I've also joined a lot of groups on Facebook, which has been great. There is Black RV'ers on Facebook, which you have to get an invitation to. So if you're interested, let me know. I really hope that you guys stick around and go on this journey with me, renovating, and I'm gonna be moving into my baby, and she'll be parked here in Las Vegas for a while. And depending on what happens with this pandemic and what happens with the world, I guess, we'll see. So for now, let's get it started. Me, my RV, my story. Okay, you guys, bye. Get out.